Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve best time to buy and sell stock. Let's understand the question first, then we will move to the approach. So we have been given an array with prices. Okay, so you are given an array prices where price I is the price of a given stock on ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy a stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay, so let's try to understand the question and then we'll move to the code walkthrough. 715,364. So this is our input array, and like we have 6 days data and we have to maximize our profit. So we want to choose one day when we will buy the stock and in the future day where we will sell the stock. Okay, so a simple approach can be that we solve this question in time complexity of O of n square. How? Like we will take every element and we will try to maximize the profit. Whatever will be the profit, we will store it in a variable and then we'll do it for all the values. And then we'll see like whatever the maximum profit is, we will return that profit. And if there is no profit, means the array is in decreasing order, strictly decreasing order, then we will return 0. Okay. Now, can we improve this solution? Yes, we can improve this solution and we can solve this in time complexity of O of n. How we can solve this? Let's dive into that. So what we can do, we can have two variables. One variable will be maximum profit, which we will initialize to 0, and we will have one more variable with minimum price, which will be initialized with the first element of the array. Okay, now what we will do, we will start iterating through the array and we will check if we are making any profit and that profit is greater than maximum profit, we will update the maximum profit value. And if the minimum price, like if the element whatever we are on is less than the minimum price, we'll update that also. So let's try to iterate that. So we have already 7 here, so we'll take 1. So 1, because this is a future price, minus 7 is equals to 6. So this is my minus 6 profit. Like, is minus 6 greater than 0? No. So we will have 0 only over here. Okay, now we will check because we have minimum price 7. So is 7 greater than minimum price? Yes, it is greater than. So we will update our minimum price with 1. Okay. Now we will move to 5. Now we will subtract 5 minus 1 because 5 is my current element and 1 is my minimum price. Okay, so let me write that current value minus minimum price. This will be my profit. Okay, so current value is 5, minimum price is 1, so our profit will be 4 and 4 is definitely greater than 0. So we will update our maximum profit to 4 and minimum price is like 5 is definitely greater than 1, so our minimum price will remain 1 only. Okay, now we will move to 3. Now 3 minus our minimum price 1 will be equal to 2. So 2 is definitely less than our maximum profit, so we'll have our maximum profit as 4 only, and 3 is also greater than 1, so our minimum price will remain 1. Now we will move to 6. 6 minus 1, like the current value minus the minimum price will be like the profit is 5. We'll compare with maximum profit, and maximum profit is definitely like the current profit is definitely greater than the maximum profit, So we will update the maximum profit to 5, and our minimum price will remain 1 only, because 6 is greater than 1. Now we will move to the last element, 4. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3, which is less than the 5, which is our maximum profit. So we'll update our maximum profit to 5 only and minimum price to 1 only, because 4 is still greater than our minimum price, which is 1. And at the end of the iteration, we will return maximum profit. So we'll return maximum profit, which is 5. Okay, so now you can see that we have solved this question is in O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity, like constant space and linear time complexity. So let's try to code this question on the coding screen. We are on our coding screen. Now we know that we need 2 variables to solve this problem. One is maximum profit, which we will initialize to 0. Now the edge condition, okay, I forgot about that. So we were talking about that edge condition, that if there is no profit, then we should return 0. So here we are already initializing it to 0. Like if any profit which is negative, definitely 0 is greater than any negative value. So that edge condition will also get covered over here. Okay. Now the second variable is minimum price, which we will initialize to the first element of the array. Okay. Now we will iterate through the array. Let's use for each loop. Now we will check for the maximum profit first. So if price minus minimum price, okay, let's store the current profit into a variable. It will be handy for us. So int current profit. Int current profit is equals to price minus minimum price. Now we'll check if current profit is greater than maximum profit, then we will update our maximum profit. So maximum profit will become current profit. Okay, and the second condition is if the price, whatever value we have, is less than minimum price. So we will update that also. So minimum price will become that price. Okay, this is it, I think, and at the end we will return maximum profit. This is the code. That's it. Let's try to run this code. Okay, let's try to submit this code. And as you can see, this question is better than 100% of Java Online submissions. So if you like the video, thumbs up the video and subscribe to the channel, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.